Rust. Stabbing match. Baby Black versus Bird. Turn up the light, Bird. Hurry up. Bird at the top. Hold on, don't stop it. Ekamori at the bottom. First strike. Game 20 kills. No timer. I feel like that nigga took him out strong. Both the niggas put it at the same time. Go yours. I killed them. I did it. Ooh, I was just like, ooh, about to stop that camera. I was about to tell you those things. What's the school for that? Oh, there you go. Oh, he don't want it. Not no care package. Nah, no care package. No care package glitch. You can use the care package, but not the glitch. But no glitching. No running with it in your hand. No, throw it on the floor if you go use it. Baby Black up by 2 points, y'all. Yeah. Now don't throw it under there. He's not going to hit him.
It bounced. Got him. I killed one of y'all like that before. I killed you. Yeah. Yes.
He told you it.
How the heck? He completed a challenge for the gun stabbing him. Baby Black winning. $900 to $500.
Why didn't I let me die? Black pill. Black pill.
Yeah. Final kill. Jump right in there. Tight.
Okay, I'll put that
Virgil. You got enough predator missiles. Oh, he got him.
Not that one. Put it on. Get that.
Hijacker.
Why you shot him?
I didn't reach it.
You don't need that, man.
Hold it. Final kill.